In the world of printing, the trendsetters, CDC printers, are conventionally known as the Gutenberg of Eastern India. From owning the first brand new 4-up Heidelberg printing machine in Calcutta to the latest Mitsubishi Diamond 1000 with online aqueous coater, CDC Printers has constantly been reinventing the wheel in technological upgradation, delivering excellence to the city of joy. This one-stop print shop, having the world's finest and latest pre-press, press and post-press facilities, works round the clock, redefining the word professionalism for this industry. Ever since its inception in the year 2001, CDC Printers has been constantly satisfying their clients by executing highest quality print jobs in almost impossible deadlines. The name behind this game changer, Mr. Chittaranjan Chaudhary, a qualified cost and chartered accountant, derives his inspiration from his passion for the game of cricket. As a practicing chartered accountant, he etched his first milestone of success with his small desktop publishing endeavor. Unable to meet client expectations due to his dependency on outsourcing printing jobs, he decided to exercise complete control over the process by owning a printing press himself. And thus, CDC Printers was born. CDC Printers offers a range of services ranging from printing brochures to calendars to coffee table books to magazines for its esteemed array of clients, with an intent to prevent outflow of quality print jobs out of Kolkata.
A big turning point for CDC was when for the first time it received the prestigious Print Week India award under the category Annual Reports Printing. It not only gave CDC the recognition but also gave us the confidence that we can be the best. That first award was in the year 2009. Since then, there has been no looking back for CDC. We have been bettering the best, and today we can take pride when we mention that CDC is one of the most awarded printers in the country and definitely the most awarded printer in Eastern India.
Equipped with unmatched technology, infrastructure, people, processes, and enhanced with stringent quality control at every stage of the print assignment, this completely automated layout prints every single job as good as the award-winning print job.
If there is one achievement of CDC that stands out, it is the fact that we have been able to bring to a stop high-end print jobs of Kolkata being printed in other parts of the country. In fact, we have gone a step further, and today we take pride when we mention that high-end print jobs from other parts of the country and beyond are being printed in CDC and shipped to those countries.
From winning over 50 awards at the National Award for Excellence in Printing in 5 years, to the glorious victories at the Print Week India Awards, CDC Printers has constantly proved its mettle.
One job that needs special mention is the very prestigious job that we received, that was for printing the wedding card of the King of Bhutan. There were printers from Singapore, printers from Bangkok, printers from India who were trying to pitch for the job. ultimately the job was given to CDC. And yes, we can also take pride of the fact that this King's card that was printed by CDC was sent to the dignitaries and the head of nations of over 100 countries.
With more than 65,000 square feet work area, over 100 dedicated workers, 100% power backup, and the state-of-the-art equipments, CDC Printers prints anything that falls under commercial printing with unparalleled quality and minimum turnaround time. With Mr. Manu Chowdhury, son of Mr. Chittaranjan Chowdhury, joining the pursuit after completing his studies in print technology from the Rochester Institute of Technology, USA. CDC elated to a new high with new systems and technological innovations, marking a growth of 10 to 15% annually.
What printing was primarily in 1950s, 60s and even probably in 70s was, it was more of an artistic thing. The printers were supposed to make the print look beautiful. But we've realized that with the new technology, with the new innovations that is happening, it's not up to the printers to make it more beautiful, it's actually the designers and the pre-press people, the person who associated with the print to make it look more beautiful. The printers, they are supposed to be much more systematic, much more organized. They should be able to print exactly what is there in the file and make it look beautiful. In order to do so, we've added a lot of new technological improvements. We have added a lot of color measuring devices, both in pre-press, post-press and press. With this, what we do is, we print each and every printed sheet and verify if the colors printed on the sheet are accurate as per the file or not. So we don't worry about whether the grass is actually looking green or the sky is blue as what it's supposed to be. What we actually measure is whether the sky is blue as per the file. This has made us much more repeatable, much more reproducible and much more predictable. So the clients are always aware of the colors that we are printing, and they are rest assured that whatever we print is actually as per their requirements.
CDC printers excel at every step of printing operation, with the most modern color management facilities in the pre-press to constantly calibrating the press conforming standards consistently while printing.
Once we've assured that my plates are accurate, we put it onto a printing press. The printing press are calibrated very regularly, so we know exactly what the printing press is capable of. We follow ISO 12647-2 standards, which ensures that our print is absolutely perfect.
With machines ranging from Horizon cross-folders to Wurlemberg binding lines, CDC ensures flawless production at the final tread of post-press, churning out finest products crafted to perfection.
In print industry, what is also very important is timely delivery. You have to deliver as per your client's requirements, however stringent or however impossible they may seem like. In order to do so, we have developed our own complete management information system which takes care of everything in our industry. That includes purchase of raw materials like ink, paper, plates, etc. It includes creation of new jobs, estimation. It includes the scheduling of jobs and also the production data. This ensures everybody is on the same page, even the clients are aware of when their products are going to be delivered, and we try our level best to stick to those deadlines.
A few years back, we ventured into web printing in a new plant in Banchla, Howrah, where we specialize in printing of textbooks and educational books. With a host of printing machines and very automated binding machines, we have created a setup which can be termed as one of the biggest in the country and one of the most modern. Last year, over a period of 100 days, we had consistently printed and bound a lakh of books per day, which means that in a period of 100 days, we turned out more than 1 crore of books.
CDC caters to publishers round the globe with their dedicated 30,000 square feet book printing unit with a production capacity of 5,000 books per hour.
We are also proud to be associated with a very different and unique publisher by the name of Seagull. Over the years, we have printed many titles for them, which have been shipped to Europe, to America and to other parts of the world through their distributors, the University of Chicago Press. In fact, most of these titles find a pride of place in many libraries all around the world.
With a vision to be the unrivaled name in the country's third largest industry, CDC printers are gearing up for their next innings in the trade.
If someone asks me about the future of CDC, I can only say that the journey has just begun and we have a long way to go.